Hello, friends. Today we will discuss about Endel Digital Solutions, Weighbridge software and lab management software solutions. Endel Digital Solutions is a leading software company that offers the best innovative software solutions for industry verticals like weighing, engineering, mining, manufacturing, and research laboratories. We take the lead with our Weighbridge software, lab management software development, and ORECS ERP Solutions, which are designed to help you manage and track all critical information with industrial automation. Our digital Weighbridge software solution is designed for complete automation to reduce human dependability. This is enabled through our Weighbridge software development, which integrates various hardwares to provide the ultimate unmanned weighing solution. Our expertise and experience in working with various industries has allowed us to venture into enterprise resource planning, ERP, solutions that can manage all the core supply chain, manufacturing processes, HR, financial and other key processes of an organization. Our ERP solutions are designed for specific industries, such as building construction, machine rental, manufacturing, and more. Lastly, our laboratory information management system helps the entire lab management system to manage manpower scheduling, data samples, experiments, and results. Weighbridge software. Weighmast is designed for a smooth, accurate, and traceable functioning of truck weighbridge management. It serves as a standalone system and is designed to manage critical information easily and flexibly. This fully integrated solution in the form of Weighbridge is offered by us with a centralized synchronization and multi-Weighbridge plugin. The truck weighbridge management software gets continual and real-time data for actionable. We, as one of the experienced truck scale software development companies, help you with an extremely durable and accurate scale that can weigh the maximum trucks per day and let you work in a seamless, hassle-free, and ready-to-implement mode. Our experience as Weighbridge software developers in working with various clients has allowed us to focus on the key issues that are present in the weighing industry. On the basis of that, we have created our Weighbridge solutions to tackle the following problems in the industry. 1. Eliminates various ways in which weighment theft occurs. 2. Managing multi-location architecture. 3. Provide different levels of business intelligence. 4. Provides complete data transparency and visibility. Our highly advanced Weighbridge solutions by the team of most experienced Weighbridge software developer provide the best surveillance systems for small and large industrial solutions. We build trust and transparency through the use of Weighbridge software to enhance the capacity to store and configure data automatically to achieve optimum accuracy. Endel Digital Solutions Weighbridge management software calibrates the procedure to increase the speed of weighing for our global customers to get to be more productive and profitable. Laboratory management software. LabMast, the Laboratory Management Information System, is a useful technology for the management of information in industrial laboratories. The whole process includes sample management, inventory management, test management, instruments management, workflow automation, data tracking, audit, and cost control. The lab information management systems are key in the R&D department to administer laboratory workflows in the most efficient and productive manner. It can profit any business as the laboratory automation software can provide a real-time update on inventory, workflows, projects, and it works on eliminating wastage and preventing non-productive processes. As innovation leaders, we stand atop as Weighbridge software developers. Endel Digital Solutions provide a systematic, integrated set of activities to establish and control the work processes from pre-analytical through post-analytical processes, manage resources, conduct evaluations, and make continual improvements to ensure consistent quality results. To know more about Weighbridge software, visit at endel.digital. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.